In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform a proper plank. Let's get right into it. So initially the setup, well actually the movement can be called a forearm plank or it can be called a plank, but from this video, we're gonna go into just a forearm plank here, all right? So the main thing you wanna think about is your back position. That's gonna be the most important part of it. So here, steps, elbows almost directly under your shoulders. Your glutes are gonna be squeezed, your quads are gonna be squeezed, and you're gonna keep the rib cage stacked. So this is a stacked rib cage, this is an arched rib cage, and this is a super tight crunch rib cage. We wanna find that neutral position. So you can go here, get here, try here, and then find your neutral, and that's where you're gonna start. You're gonna hold this position, keeping your head neutral. You don't want your head up, you don't want your head hanging down here, but in this neutral position here, push the ground away with your elbows, and now we're gonna hold from here. Your feet can be wider if it's a challenge for you to perform this movement, or they could be a little bit narrower depending on how advanced you are. As you progress with this movement, you can bring your feet in over time, and this is gonna just put more emphasis on the balance of the movement, okay? But yeah, you wanna start with your feet. They can be about shoulder width apart, and then you can slowly work your way in, okay? So again, to recap, squeeze your quads, squeeze your glutes, push the ground away, keep the rib cage stacked, keep the head neutral, hold that position, and hold this movement for about 15 to 30 seconds, or you can work your way up to 2 minutes if you like, but it's all up to you, and that's how you get started with the forearm plank. See you in the next video.